Before buying RGB LED wall lights, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Many options look flashy but might fall short in quality or functionality. Product number 1, KSIPZE 100 FT LED strip lights. First up, we have the KSIPZE 100 FT LED strip lights. At just $9.98, these lights caught my eye with their impressive features and budget-friendly price. If you want vibrant colors and a fun party atmosphere, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These LED strip lights come with a Bluetooth app and IR remote control, allowing you to choose from 16 million colors and customize modes like flashing and fading. Plus, the built-in mic syncs the lights to your music, making it perfect for parties or just setting the mood. They've got a solid rating of 4.4 stars from over 40,000 reviews, which speaks volumes about the customer satisfaction here. Now, some users mentioned that the adhesive could be a bit weak over time. Here's the thing though, if you install them on a clean, dry surface, you shouldn't have too much trouble. It might be a deal breaker for some, but for most, the fun and flexibility will outweigh this. This is perfect for you if you're looking to add some color to your room without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you want a more permanent lighting solution, as these are best for flexible setups and temporary decor. Product number 2, Govee Glide Wall Lights. Now, if KSIPZE's adhesive concerns bothered you, the Govee Glide Wall Lights might be just what you need. Priced at $69.99, these lights bring sophistication with their smart features. If you want a sleek look that integrates seamlessly with your tech, this is worth a serious look. The Govee Glide lights stand out with their RGBIC technology, allowing for multiple colors on one panel at once. Imagine your space glowing in 24 colors simultaneously. Plus, they're compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can control the ambience hands-free. There are also 64+ scene modes to fit any mood, and the 11 music modes let the lights dance to your favorite tunes. With a solid 4.5-star rating over 3,300 reviews, people love them. However, some users pointed out that the panels are rigid and not flexible. This might limit your design options if you're looking for curves or custom shapes. But if you're after clean lines and a modern aesthetic, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're into gaming or want a high-tech aesthetic in your room. Skip this one if you need a more adaptable lighting solution. Product number 3, Govee Glide Hexa Light Panels. Next up, we have another Govee product, the Glide Hexa Light Panels, priced at $179.99. At first glance, the unique hexagon shape really caught my attention. If you want to make a bold statement in your decor, this is worth a serious look. These panels not only offer rich RGBIC colors, but also allow you to customize your layout in the Govee app. Each panel can display different colors, creating stunning effects that flow seamlessly. With music sync modes, they react to your favorite tracks, turning sound into light. Plus, they boast a brightness of 500 lumens, ensuring your designs stand out. With a strong rating of 4.5 stars from 1,700 reviews, people are impressed. However, some users found that installation can be tricky if you don't press the panels firmly enough. But once they're up, the visual impact is absolutely worth it, especially for gamers or creative spaces. This is perfect for you if you want the ultimate gaming or aesthetic experience. Skip this one if you're looking for something quick and easy to set up. Product number 4, ERMTCTS Picture Lights. Now, if you're looking for something a bit different, check out the ERMTCTS Picture Lights, available for $16.96. The sleek design and functionality really stood out to me. If you want to highlight artwork or photos beautifully, this is worth a serious look. These battery-operated lights come with a 2000 mAh rechargeable battery, giving you long-lasting power without the need for wiring. They offer 12 RGB colors and 3 color temperatures, allowing you to illuminate your art just the way you like it. The remote control makes it easy to adjust settings, and with a 4.5-star rating from 514 reviews, users appreciate the convenience. However, some buyers mentioned that the brightness might not be enough for larger pieces. Here's the thing though, for smaller frames or cozy setups, they offer just the right touch without overwhelming the space. This is perfect for you if you want to enhance your home decor with focused lighting. Skip this if you need something for larger displays or full room lighting needs. Product number 5, JIMIMORO Hexagon Light Panels. Finally, we have the JIMIMORO Hexagon Light Panels priced at $37.99. These lights caught my eye with their fun modular design. If you want an interactive lighting experience that sparks creativity, this is worth a serious look. With 12 panels and 200+ dynamic modes, these lights let you design your own patterns and effects. They sync with music and can be controlled via app or remote, making them versatile for parties or everyday use. The materials are sturdy, ensuring they last. They hold a rating of 4 stars from 1,100 reviews, which is solid for this price point. That said, some users found the setup process could be a bit cumbersome. But honestly, the creative freedom you get makes it worthwhile for those who enjoy designing their space. This is perfect for you if you love DIY decor and want to express your creativity. Skip this if you prefer something that's ready to go right out of the box. So to wrap it up, the KSIPZE strip lights are great for budget-friendly fun, the Govee Glide wall lights impress with smart tech, the Glide Hexa panels offer stunning aesthetics, ERMTCTS lights elevate your decor, and the JIMIMORO panels let your creativity shine. Each has its strengths and ideal users, so choose what fits your vibe best.